Morning all of you. Today our topic is matrices and subtopic is matrix inversion method. Objectives: the simultaneous linear equation in three unknowns by matrix inversion method. Recap: an algebraic equation containing the first degree polynomial is called a linear equation. A linear equation is an algebraic equation in which each term is either constant or the product of a constant times the first power of a variable. These equations are called linear because they represent straight lines in Cartesian coordinates. What is the standard form of a linear equation in the two variables? Ax plus by equal to c, where a comma b comma c are constants. If the constant c in the right hand side of the linear equation ax plus by equal to c is 0, then it is called a homogeneous linear equation. Otherwise, it is called a non-homogeneous linear equation. A linear equation can involve more than two variables. The general linear equation in n variables is, already we know that this type of polynomials we discuss the before classes 9th or 10th also available. That is a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus so on plus an xn equal to b. In this form, a1, a2, an are the coefficients, x1, x2, so on, xn are the variables, and b is the constant. Now we go to the matrix inversion method. Consider the system of simultaneous linear equations in three unknowns are a1x, b1y plus c1z equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. These equation can be written as ax equal to b, that is equation number 1, where a is equal a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3. X is equal x y z, b is equal d1 d2 d3. If determinant of a not equal to 0, this implies a inverse exists. On multiplying both sides of 1 by a inverse, we get a inverse into ax equal a inverse into b. This implies a inverse a into x equal a inverse b. That is equal to a inverse a equal to I into x equal to a inverse into b. X equal a inverse into b. Then we get the values of x, y, z. Note: matrix inversion method fails when determinant of A equal to 0. That is, A is a singular matrix. Whenever the matrix is singular, the inversion method is failure. Example number 1. Solve the following equation by matrix inversion method. X plus y plus z equal to 6, comma, x minus y plus z equal to 2x plus y minus z equal to 1. Now write the solution. The given equation can be written in the matrix form as ax equal to b, where a equal 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 2 1 minus 1 and b equal 6 to 1 and x equal x y z. We have to take A matrix is 1 1 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 2 1 minus 1. So that we have to take the coefficient of x y z. Now we take the b values is all constant 6 to 1. Now we find the x value is x y z. Determinant of A equal, we know that using the expansion of first row, 1 into 1 minus 1, we take the symbol minus or 1 and minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 2. We get simplification. We can do the simplification, that is equal 0 plus 3 equal to 6. 6 is not equal to 0. Therefore, this is a non-singular matrix. Therefore, inverse is exist. Now we find the cofactors of elements of A. Now we know that how can we find the cofactor of element? The same concept, applying the each and every element, take the cofactors and find the minors. Then we take the plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. We get the simplification 0 3 3 2 minus 3 1 2 0 minus 2. Now write the adjoint of A. How can we write the adjoint of A? Cofactor matrix transpose. We get 0 2 2 3 minus 3 0 3 1 minus 2. The formula is what? A inverse equal adjoint A by determinant of A. How can we find the determinant of A? We know that already 6 is not equal to 0, so that A inverse equal 1 by 6 of what is the adjoint matrix? 0 2 2 3 minus 3 0 3 1 minus 2. Now we find the x value. X is equal what? A inverse into B. So that x is equal 1 by 6 of 0 2 2 3 minus 3 0 3 1 minus 2, and B value is 6 2 1. Now we get the simplification by doing the multiplication 1 by 6 of 6 12 18. Then we do the division 6 by 6, we get 1, 12 by 6 2, 18 by 6 we get 3. Therefore the x value is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z equal to 3 is the solution of the given problem. Now we go to the example number 2. Solve x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 14. 2x minus 3y plus 4z equal to 8. 3x plus 5y minus 7z equal minus 8. Now write the solution. Let a equal, we take the coefficient of x, y, z 1 2 3 2 minus 3 4 3 5 minus 7, and x value is x, y, z. B equal, all constant value we take 14 8 minus 8. Now find the cofactor elements of A. We get 21 minus 20, or minus symbol we take, minus 14 minus 12, 10 plus 9, or we take the minus plus minus, minus 14 minus 15, plus symbol we take minus 7 minus 9, minus of 5 minus 6, 8 plus 9, so on, minus of 4 minus 6, plus symbol we take minus 3 minus 4, we get the matrix is 1 26 19 29 16 1 17 2 minus 7. We get the adjoint of A. The same procedure, cofactor matrix transpose, we write 1 29 17 26 2 and 19 1 minus 7. We get the determinant of A, that is 1 and 110 not equal to 0. Since A is non-singular, so that A inverse exists. So that we write A inverse equal adjoint A by determinant of A 1 by 100. The remaining adjoint matrix we write. By matrix inverse method, we know that x equal A inverse into D, and also we take B also. B or D. Consider the constant values. X is equal 1 by 110, and write the 1 29 17 26 minus 16 2 19 1 minus 7, and the constant value 14 8 minus 18. We get the multiplication of two matrices. X is equal 1 by 110 and 110 220 330. Then we get 110 by 110 1, 220 by 110 2, 330 by 110 is 3. So that x equal to 1 and y equal to and z equal to 3. We go to the previous examination questions. Using matrix inversion method, solve x plus y plus z equal 6, x minus y plus z equal to 2x plus y minus z equal 1. Using matrix inversion method. Now we go to the summary. We have discussed about solution of linear equation in 3 unknowns by matrix inversion method. Now we go to the quiz. The linear equation from the following is: A is 2x square plus 3x plus 1 equal 0, B equal xy equal k, C equal 3x minus y equal to 5, none of the above. What is the answer? 3x minus y equal to 5. Matrix inversion method is not applicable when determinant of A equal 0, determinant of A greater than 0, determinant of A is less than 0, none of these. What is the answer? Determinant of A equal to 0. Now we go to the assignment. The first question, you solve the following equation by matrix inversion method. X plus y minus z equal to 3, 2x plus 3y plus z equal to 10, 3x minus y minus 7z equal to 1. Now we have to take the coefficient of x, y, z, that is we consider a, and also we take x equal x, y, z, and constant values we take b equal 3, 10, 1. Then after that find out the A inverse. How can we find the A inverse? Adjoint A by determinant of A. Then after that A inverse equal adjoint by determinant of A into the constant value that will be B or D, anything we get. We have to do the simplification, get the values of x, y, z. The second problem is also same. 2x minus y plus z equal 4, x plus y plus z equal to 1, x minus 3y minus 2z equal to. The third one also same. 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 9, x plus y plus z equal 6, x minus y plus z equal to. These three problems we have to take first of all A and x and B. Then first of all find out the A inverse, adjoint A by determinant of A. Then we do the multiplication and do the simplification. We get the values x comma y, x value and y value, and also z value. Thank you very much.